Hello programmers, welcome to my YouTube channel Techie Projects. So in this video I will show you the complete e-commerce website using Python and Django web framework. So let's start. You have to first register and then log in with the email and password. For the registration you have to enter the name, email, password and the avatar. Okay, so let's enter the demo details. I have entered the name, email ID, password and the avatar. You have to browse any image from the system and then click on the register button. So you'll register with that particular profile. Okay, let's click on the camera. So it will show the complete detail of camera. If you click on the pen drive button, it will show the complete detail of pen drive. So the two items added in the cart. Click on add to cart and you have to enter the shipping details like shipping info, address, city, phone number, postal code, country. After completing all the details, you just have to click on the continue button. So it will show the confirm order. Okay, let's again refresh it and it will show the payment section. Like you have to enter the card info, like card number, card inquiry, and card CVC. After that, you just have to click on the pay button. Like it will show 325 rupees. After the payment, it will show the message your order has been placed successfully. Like my order, shipping info, payment, and order status, and the order items. In the payment, it shows paid, and the order status will be processing. Like after some time, if you click on the refresh button, then it will update the status. In the shipping info, you can see the name, phone, address, and the amount. Okay, let's click on refresh button. So it will update the status, order status, like shipped. Again, refresh, then it will show the delivered. Okay, these are the latest products. You can see the camera and the pen drive. If we click on the view details, then it will show the complete details of any product. We can also add the new product. So this type of project we are developing related to computer science domain in various programming languages like Python, machine learning, deep learning, AI, neural network, data science, data analytics. If you are searching any type of project ideas, then you can also visit our website www.techieprojects.com, or you can also go through our YouTube channel where we have uploaded multiple projects. So let's click on the cart button. It will show the two cart added, and if you click on the orders, so it will show the my order status. Okay, just go back and you can also update the cart, or you can submit the review. Like I'm just entering the nice and click on submit button. So it will post the review. You can also see the review in the web page. So let's click on refresh button. We have added the one more product. It will show the $150, and you can also give the reviews, and you can make the add to cart. You can change the product by click on the right hand side scroll. Okay, now right now the three product added, like you can add multiple products in this website. This is the complete project. If you have doubt, then you can comment in the comment section. I will try to reply soon. Thank you friends for watching my video. If any, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.